we're going to be having something under. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce this a little, and I'm going to make it italic. Is either I use Ctrl I or I come here to click on this. I've made it italic, and also I can do well to underline it by clicking on this U. Now I just underlined it. Now if you look at the underline, it's having a color. So let's say we want to change the color. You can just come here, click on this, then you see underline color. You can set it as black, as white, or any other color. So let me set it as red. Good. Alright, we can also change the style of the underline. You can use any of this, so you can actually play around with it. So I think I'm going to go for this one. Alright, so we just made it italic, we also underlined it. Now let's say we want to strike through. When you want to strike through, okay, let me have another one down here. Now let's say we want to strike through. We just have to highlight first, then come here and click. Now we'll strike it through. Like I said, you want to increase it, come here, you can increase, and also to decrease here. Alright, so I'm going to highlight this. Now I want to use a text effect on this, and this is where you find the text effect and typography. So I click on it. Now I'm going to see different text effects here. So I'm going to use this. Let me use this one. Now using this does not actually mean this is how it will be like. You can actually change the color if you want to. So to change the color, you come here, font color, you click on it, and you can change the color to whichever one you want. So I'm going to change it to this. Now if you watch, it's having a blue outline. How can we change this blue outline? Okay, we're going to go back to our text effect, then you're going to see outline. I'm going to select an outline. Let's use this, and this is it. So this is how we can actually change the colors of our text effect. Now going back to the text effect, you will also see shadow. You can add shadow to that text, also reflection, glow, number styles, and all of that. So let me just add a reflection. I want a reflection below. No, sorry, I didn't highlight it first. You see, you always need to highlight before working on anything. So reflection, I'm going to put this, and now this is it. This is the reflection. So using text effects in your document actually makes it nice. Alright, so let's say we are done. We want to now clear formats. How do we do that? We highlight it. Now clearing of formats actually means you are going to take back this learn digital skills back to the way it was at first. That means you are removing both the text effects and you're also removing the reflection. So now we highlight it. This is where we see the clear format, and we click on this, and it has come back to how it was at first. Alright, so that is how the text formatting works. Alright, so I'm just going to Ctrl Z to go back. Okay, so now this our text effect, we want to give it a highlight color. We can just come here, this is it, come here, select a color. Okay, let me use this. Now this is it. So this is how we actually select a highlight color for our text. So if you want to clear formatting, like we said earlier, you can just come here and click, you can clear. How about we want to give this YouTube uppercase? It should be in uppercase instead of center case as it is. You can just come here, you click, and you change the case. Let's change it to uppercase. Now this is it. We just changed it to uppercase. Alright, so that is all we can talk about for today in our font group. That is, we're talking about the basic font formatting. I want you guys to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bar for any new videos.